and keep our environment clean. Small actions can make a big difference. Let us promise to ourselves to love